This is the Panoramic Suites at Vidara. There's a doorbell here. And the way the do not disturb sign works is if you hit do not disturb, it turns blue. If you hit housekeeping, it turns green. And nothing, it's just white. So this is the Panoramic Suite. You can see all around Vegas from here. It's on the 41st floor, so it's a lot to do, a lot to see. The way the blinds work is a button on the wall, and it puts them down. And there's another one for if you want the blackout curtains down. There is a full kitchen in here, a table, a stove, an oven, a dishwasher, a microwave, a fridge, and a freezer. Then you come in here and there's the sitting room. Again, there is the view. There's a TV here. This is another way into the kitchen. And the view keeps going. Another TV in the bedroom. And from here we can see all the way to the sphere. You see it over there behind the high roller. It looks really cool lit up at night. So the bathroom, 2 sinks, a full bathtub, walk-in shower, a toilet, makeup area. There's a closet here, small closet. There's also a closet here with a safe, and it's got the robes in there and the iron, slippers. And then this is the door to the bathroom, and it walks back out to the kitchen. I did not show the bedroom. King size bed, table. You can order everything on the iPad. This is where you order your dining. They have breakfast, lunch, dinner. They also, it's pet friendly, so they have a pet area too that you can order for your pets. But it's a really cool hotel. It's not connected to a casino. There's not a casino downstairs, but it is connected to Aria, and it's a quick walk over to there. This is the nighttime view from the Panoramic Suite at Vidara. There's a nice view of the sphere out here.